My name is Caitlin Norman. This week's lesson was about how experiences can affect the brain in different ways. As we interact with the environment around us and the people around us, cells and neurons can send and receive information to and from other nerve cells in our brains. New connections can be added to the brain in two different ways. Education and people's experiences do help to develop the brain. The way we interact with the people around us can help to develop our brains in different ways. We remember by facts, concepts, and ideas being stored in our brain. Cognitively based skills are improved by the positive transfer of information, just as new motor skills are. We make simple associations developed by existing knowledge and generating new experiences every day without even knowing it. Researchers have found that expert knowledge tends to be organized around core concepts or big ideas that guide their thinking. Another way to help students become aware of patterns and principles is by teaching them how to categorize ideas and types of different problems we go through. Processing and making sense of information depends on a number of factors, including the nature of the learning environment, individual differences in perception and understanding, and the manner in which new information is presented to each person. Individuals often carry around mental models or figures or explanations in their heads for why things happen without even recognizing they're doing it. As we develop understandings of concepts, we create new associations among ideas. As teachers, we should assess every child's needs so they are able to take in as much information as possible. We often learn from experiences or things that relate to ourselves. It's often easier to retain information when we understand it on our own individual level rather than just a teacher saying something to the class as a whole. Every child learns differently, and it's our job as educators to make sure every child is learning at a level that benefits them the most. This week's lesson really opened my eyes to every child's need to learn on their own individual learning level.